Hello guys, today we made about $280 trading Tesla, and this is the trade recap. Going into the day, my pre-market plan was, first let me talk about the indices. Indices were relatively flat pre-market, just setting up for an inside day, and you can see they were kind of flagging out right before the open. Anyway, so that's kind of unfortunate. Like, the other things are about to break up higher, like in the short term, like right off the open, had a little push off the flag. Anyways, I was watching mainly Tesla, AMD, and Google off the open. AMD did have a little gap down and crap setup, but I didn't take it. And also, it's kind of like one thing I'm noticing is that one actually the setup it's just a basically just outside day. It's not like the best setup for a gap down and crap. It's just like nothing spectacular. No like several days of consolidation. No nothing like that. Um, for a gap to go gap to crop setup, you want something like this day. Actually, because it's going out of the way. You want to set up like this at the wick. Those are better here, stuff like that. Those like big gap ups from consolidation on multiple days. So anyways, so this failed, and then the thing I was trying to point out is that the indices were flagging out to the upside, and this or AOD was trying to go to the downside. It failed, whatever. But yeah, so I saw Tesla like relative like weakness. My first attempt to take the trade was kind of a bad setup. It kind of fell within. So we see this is a 1 minute chart. Tesla has just moved down, relatively weakness on the day. Starts to flag out, flag fails. It comes up. It just everything just keep pushing up. For some reason, when it came back to 410, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna give it a little test. I turned a bit here and stopped to like 10 seconds later. Took a small out of like $34. Anyways, so like looking, I'm sick right now, so I kind of was like kind of tired, really tired this morning, and I kind of just put back to bed. But then I saw a couple minutes later, Tesla was back below the pre-market low, and I saw it flagging out. So I came back to the computer and basically just entered the retest of 410. And this is for me. I originally had an A- setup, but it's more like a B setup. But I risked about $105 on this trade. Entered on the retest, my average around here, and I let this right down. I take some trips here for some reason. Some trips here. I think closed that portion the trade here, so I made like high 200, almost $300, and then I got to roll up, and then I did stop out here somehow. Like my roll was really bad, so I let myself get stopped out. Just like looked at here at the very top. I looked at my average or my fill price, and it was literally the lowest one on the premium charts. I re-entered a couple seconds later. Did a little play out, just made like a couple dollars, like 20 or so, and then I re-entered again on this flag break, and then I hold, and then it goes back up, and then I kind of just get back all the unrealized gains. They're only $20. Anyways, on this move, I made like 315 on it, so it's like a B grade setup. Mostly because the daily is nothing spectacular, just like outside day gap down. But yeah. My main thing that I'm working on right now is trying to grade my setups, because I think uh, um, very systematic way for me to size up is to size up on my A tier setups, so like A and A plus setups, and just don't be too aggressive with the B and C setups. Like, it makes me know beforehand, hey, like it makes you really think about the setup. Like, hey, is this even worth taking? And if it's worth taking, how much should I really be risking? Like, how good is like the expected value? And that's what I'm trying to work on right now. I'm building up databases of past setups and I'm grading them. And I'm just trying to get better at grading these setups and know how good they are or how much I should be risking. Because I'm really trying to improve as a trader by sizing up through this. That's what I learned. Okay, anyways, that's my trade recap today. I probably missed a whole lot. Nothing happened for Google for me. I didn't like it. I like Tesla the best. Anyways, I'm just gonna end it. 1 minute 30 second video, but 6 still. Hopefully I didn't sound too bad. Anyways, peace.